Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about composition of air, class 3 subject science. In this lesson we are going to learn about air as a mixture, sources of components of air, air pollution and the bad effect of burning firecrackers. So in this lesson we are going to learn many more things about air. So let us see introduction. So Riya and Arjun wake up early in the morning to go to school. They found that the air was so fresh and cool. But when they came back from the school in the afternoon, they felt the air was not so fresh and cool. Do you know why? Because many vehicles are on the road. Many industries they have started, and because of that smoke, that air was not so cool and fresh. That we know that the air is made up of different components. So we are going to learn many more things about air. So that earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air called the atmosphere. It is present all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. We use air for many things including breathing also. So we know that moving air is called wind, a gentle wind is called a breeze, strong wind is called a gale, and very strong winds are called storms. So what does air contain? Gases. That air is a mixture of different gases. Gases are a substance that can move around freely. Gases do not have any shape of their own. They can fill any available space of any shape. So let us see in this diagram. In air, that 78% of nitrogen is present. That in the air, 21% of oxygen is present and 1% other things like different gases and smoke and dust and water vapor. So we can see from this picture that nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen and other gases are present in the air. So that composition means the combination of many different types of elements. So this is the one of the block diagram of composition of air. 78% of nitrogen is present in the air. And the largest amount of the gas, that is nitrogen. Second, oxygen. 21% of oxygen is present in the air. And other things, other gases and water vapor, smoke, dust, all these things are present in the air. So we can see this is one table here, that proportion and uses we can see. So that nitrogen is present in 78% in air, oxygen is present in 21% in air, carbon dioxide is present in 0.03% and other gases like helium, argon, neon and water vapor is present in the air and the amount of it, that is 0.097%. And these are different uses. That nitrogen is indirectly useful to the plants. That oxygen, it is essential for all the living things and for burning. And carbon dioxide, it is needed by plants to prepare food. And other gases are again useful for us. Let us see what are the sources of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Do you know that plants gives us carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis? And that photosynthesis is the process that plant can make the food. That giraffe animal takes oxygen from the air and gives out carbon dioxide. So these are the sources of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So this is the block diagram of process of photosynthesis. So plant can take sunlight from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air and water from the root. And that green leaves make food for all the parts of the plant. And in the process of plant, that leaves gives us oxygen. So what is meant by that photosynthesis process? It is the process by which plants make their own food using carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. It is very important because almost all living things depends on plants for food. And photosynthesis is also important because of the oxygen it produces. Now we are going to discuss about air pollution. So what is meant by air pollution? Sometimes the air gets filled with smoke and dust. The presence of such harmful substances in the air is called air pollution. So we can see that pollution is anything that makes the earth dirty and unhealthy. And sometimes the air gets filled with smoke and dust. And the presence of such harmful substances in the air is called air pollution. So this is the one of the example of air pollution that we can see because of smoke, because of dust, that air become polluted. So here again we are going to discuss about what are the causes of air pollution. The first one, that is motor vehicle. Motor vehicles are the major sources of air pollution because they emit carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, nitrogen oxide in the air. That again many industries, they give different types of harmful gases like carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide. Again, that domestic sources such as coal, wood or oil is major sources of an air pollution. So how we can prevent the air pollution? How we can keep the air clean? First thing, that is plant trees. That plant absorb carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. They help to maintain the air clean and healthy. So by planting trees, we can keep the air clean. Second one, that is how we can keep the air clean? Use smoke-free lamps and stoves. So we should avoid using cookies, stoves and lamps which gives out smoke because it makes the air dirty. Next one, for example, that kerosene lamp produces harmful smoke. So this is very harmful to the environment. Next one, stop burning garbage because it emits lots of smokes. That plastics in the garbage gives out harmful gases on burning. Last one, use well-maintained vehicles. That vehicles that are not maintained and are old gives out gases, harmful gases. Avoid to use such vehicles. And the last one, that is firecrackers. That people burst firecrackers on different festivals and special occasions. And it is made up of different chemicals. And when we will burst the firecrackers, the much more gases will produce. They make a lot of noise and it makes the air dirty. And this is the one more example of air pollution. This is the one more source of air pollution. That some people who work in that industries, that people suffer from many diseases like skin and lungs problem, and it is dangerous. So to avoid that air pollution, we have to stop to burn firecrackers. On many festivals, on many occasions, we have to stop that bursting of firecrackers so we can avoid the air pollution. I hope you understood this. Thank you.